Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Landbot integration errors in 2026. If your chatbot isn't connecting to services like Google Sheets, CRMs, or other apps, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable before testing the integration again. Next, log in to your Landbot account and open the chatbot that contains the integration. Now go to the integration settings and verify that all connected accounts are still authorized. Next, reconnect the integration if you see any expired permissions or authentication errors. Now double-check that you've selected the correct account, spreadsheet, CRM, or external service. Next, review your field mapping to make sure each chatbot response is linked to the correct destination field. Now save your changes and make sure the chatbot is published with the latest updates. Next, send a test submission through your chatbot to verify that the integration is working correctly. Now, if the problem continues, disconnect the integration completely and reconnect it from the beginning. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Landbot support and provide details about the integration and any error messages you're seeing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Landbot integration errors. Your chatbot should now connect properly with your external tools and services. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.